Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook a simple dinner, stir-fry pork shoulder with bean sprout. I have about 500 grams of bean sprout, 350 grams of pork shoulder cut into bite size, 2 stalks of spring onion, 2 red chili, 3 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of onion oil. This is super easy and quick dinner. I like to start off with marinating the pork shoulder. So I'm going to pour all of this light soy sauce onto the pork shoulder and just give it a mix. That's done. Now we can go and cook it. Heat the pan, pour in all the onion oil. Just wait for the oil to heat up. Putting in all the pork shoulder. Give it a stir. Put in the red chili, the hard stem of the spring onions, give it a stir. Put in half of the oyster sauce. Add in a little bit of water. Cover the lid and let it simmer in the pot for about 5 minutes because today I'm cutting the pork shoulder into slightly bigger pieces, so we take slightly longer time to cook. But if you cut it into thin slices, you can just cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes. After 5 minutes, see the water we put in just now is slightly dry up. Look at that. It looks so yummy. Now we put in the bean sprout. Put in the sesame oil. Balance of the oyster sauce. Give it a stir. Bean sprout shouldn't take so long to cook, so I'm gonna add in the spring onions, half of crispy fried shallots. Just keep a little bit for garnishing. Just give it a stir for about 30 seconds if you want it crunchy, because bean sprout doesn't require to cook so long. So I'm going to give it a taste. Delicious, very tasty and very flavorful. So it is ready. Now I'm going to switch off the heat. This is best served immediately once it's cooked. Very easy and simple dinner. Within 7 minutes it is done. So I'm going to dish out and serve. Now we sprinkle the balance of the crispy fried shallots. Delicious, very tasty and flavorful. The pork is tender, and very tasty, and the fatty part is like can melt in the mouth. For the bean sprout, it's crunchy and very sweet with a little hint of the spiciness from the chili. And when you eat it with rice, it's perfect. Very simple and easy, and most importantly, it's very delicious. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.